Hey nail babes, and welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be doing an unboxing slash review on the Yafex cordless nail drill. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do types of nail videos. Like I said, here in this video I will be going ahead and unboxing and reviewing this nail drill. And also, if you guys are new, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to check down below for any of my social media, any of my latest videos, as well as any discount codes I have available. Make sure to go check those out if you guys haven't yet. And let's get on to unboxing the nail drill. So here, as you can see, this is what it looks like. And also I will make sure to link it down below, so make sure to check down below the description for any info on it. So this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. It is pink. I love it. So it does have a cordless design to polish nails, and it is dust proof. So also here in the back it does have more info on it. So the speed goes anywhere from 5 to 20,000 RPMs, and also the battery life is here. And again, I love the packaging. It's pink. It has like this blue kind of marble tint to it. I think it's super cute. So going ahead and opening it. So it's just like a white box, and I will be going ahead and opening it. So this is what it looks like. Pretty sleek. I love the look on it. It definitely has like a pink rose gold kind of color to it, and I think it's super nice because I love that it's cordless, so you could easily just hold it like that and drill your life away. So this is what it looks like. It does have a little hint of gold, which I love always. So I'm pretty sure this is how you turn it on, the battery life, and then how to charge it. So this is what this looks like. So to take out everything and what it includes, so here, as you can see, it's everything that includes in it. So we do have a little dust brush, a pink one to be specific, which is so cute. We also have the nail drill protector thingy, and we also have the battery cable. We have some sanding bands here in a different variety, which I love. And then here we have the drill bits, which I love this little case. It's plastic. This is super cute. So it has your mandrel, your other cuticle bits, as well as other sanding bits as well. And then it also does contain the user manual. So as you could see, it has all different languages, and then here it does have the product diagram on what is what, how to use it. So again, here is the on and off switch button. This is forward and reverse and speed control. Obviously the bits go in here, and then the cover goes here, and then this is where you charge it. So that's what I mentioned earlier. And then here it says how to use it. So choose the drill bit and insert it inside the hole. Insert about 3 mm spacing, just like how in the picture. You don't want to put it always all the way down, and then you put the dust cover on to prevent any debris from actually going anywhere. And then you press 2 buttons at the same time for 1 second to display the power, and then you press the on and off, 2-second turn on, press again to switch forward or reverse, and then press another button to adjust the speed, and then you press the on and off again to turn it off. And here on the little dots, I don't know if you guys could quite see that, but that does indicate your battery life. So that's just really what it is. And then here next, it does contain more info on the drill bits. So you do get a needle bit, a bullet, drill bit, a cone bit, a small barrel, and a large barrel, as well as with the mandrel and your sanding band as well. And here at the bottom it does have like any cautions and attentions, and then there on it goes like to other languages if you guys don't know English for any reason. So I love that it does come in different languages. So to start off, I'm not really sure if it has batteries, so I'm gonna press it. And it does. So just by pressing it, it has 2 little bars, so I definitely need to charge it, but I am going to turn it off. So now I went to reverse, and I believe if you hold it you turn it off. So yeah, I just turned it off. So I will be going ahead and putting a mandrel bit in there with a sanding band, just to show you guys really quick. So I'm just going to be going ahead and going in with a sanding band to show you guys. So I believe you kind of just, I think you just put it in there. I'm not too sure. Oh yeah, well, let's read the manual. So choose a drill bit, insert front hole in the nail drill, insert the brace spaces shown below. So I don't think you like twist it to like lock it. I think it just kind of stays in there. So I am going to take the dust cover off as well, so that we can see how it works. So I believe same thing, you kind of just plop it on like that. I'm gonna put in my sanding band. As you can see, I'm not gonna push it all the way down, but just enough for the sanding band. I'm gonna turn it on. just like that. So it is on, as you could see. And then I'm just gonna use it right here on my natural nail to show you guys a little demo, which I believe it is going in reverse. And then yeah, I think it is. So yeah, so as you can see, the cover is definitely catching all that dust. I don't know if you guys could quite tell on camera, but I'm gonna just sand my nail here just to clean off any oils, any polish that I might have, any glue that I might have on my nail. That's just simply what I'm doing here on this one, to give you guys a quick little demo. So as you can see, there's not really too much dust going everywhere. As you can see, the cover is definitely holding the dust in there. I could definitely see like there's a bunch right here. So I definitely like that because it comes in handy. It's good for your health, like it's not in the way. So now I am going to turn it off really quick to then dust off any of the dust on my natural nail. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and these are the extra sounding mats. So they all do have a different grid. So there's either like fine, medium, coarse, or extra coarse. So that's what those are for. Here we have the drill bits, and again, different uses of them. So again, here on the manual, it does contain what each drill bit is. So this is the needle bit, so this could be used if you get any like polish in the corner, or if you just want to go around the cuticle really quick. This is the bullet drill bit, so this is for polishing and removing gel. This is the comb bit, so this one also you could go like on the sidewalls, around the cuticle if you need to remove anything. This small drill bit, I would say, is more like around the cuticle and for the actual surface on top of the nail. And same thing with the large barrel one, it's just bigger. And obviously your matte drill bit and your sanding mat, you can use it to shorten and also remove or buff the nails. So I definitely love that. It includes all those drill bits, as well as with the manual. That comes in handy if you guys are new and don't really know how to do nails or trying to learn how to do nails. This is perfect. It comes with the manual. It tells you what to do with it. I love that, which I would definitely need to put it to charge, but which definitely make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions on it. So again, I am going to turn it on. If you press this one is to speed up the actual drill bit. I don't think it's for the battery life, and I think the battery life will tell you like once you have it on. So I'm gonna press it again. So that's like the fastest that it goes. So again, it is from anywhere from 5 to 20 RPM. So I love that. I love that it has different speeds on it, and you could go as you wish, and you'll know what is for what. So obviously you wouldn't go this fast on an ultra nail. Like this is like trembling, but yeah, I definitely love that. Again, and then the on and off button is to reverse or forward, whatever you guys want, and then to hold it is to turn it off, as you can see. So I definitely love this. This is perfect for if you're doing house calls, or even if you're just a beginner. This is perfect because it's small, compact, for on the go, or just starting off and you don't have a lot of space to store stuff. This is perfect. And I love that it comes in this little box. Like you could literally take this with you to somebody's house and even put like your brushes in here or some acrylics and recycle it. It's just a white plain box, so I love that. But this is it for the drill, and honestly I will give it a 10 out of 10. I also love that it does have this dust cover, because it definitely comes in handy. I definitely need to get one of these for my other drills, so that way each one can have its own. But another thing that I do like is that you could also use it if you're doing toes, so that way you don't have to have cords everywhere, or just like the regular actual drill bit everywhere. Like, so that way this isn't in the way. This is just an example. This is so dirty, so I will definitely be using this. I definitely need to upgrade, so I love that. And also another thing that I do love is that it does have a low noise, so whenever you turn it on and you're using it, you don't really hear it as much. Like you literally just hear like the drill. So I love that. I think it definitely will come in handy, so I cannot wait to use this. I will definitely be using this as my to-go drill, so I love it. I honestly do. I definitely need to charge it again. And then here on the back, it just has like the model, the input, and you know where it's made and stuff. So I definitely do love this drill. I cannot wait to use it more, and definitely let you guys know more on it soon on my vlogs or any of my upcoming videos. Make sure to stay tuned, because you will be going ahead and seeing it. So Honestly, I would definitely give the drill a 10 out of 10. I love everything that it came with. Definitely came in handy, and also I love that it's cordless, so all you really need to do is charge it and you're good. And I definitely love that. I love the little detailing of the gold. You guys know I love a little hint of gold, and I'm in love with the dust cover, so I cannot wait using it. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions as well below in the comments. But honestly, I will give it a 10 out of 10. This will definitely come in handy for either starting or you already know and it's a to-go drill, or just even here, say you have like a small desk and you don't have a lot of space. This is perfect. I love how small and compact it is. So definitely make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions, and also make sure to check down below for the link to it. I will make sure to link it down below, so make sure to go check it out if you guys haven't yet. And again, this is a drill. Do not forget to give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to turn on the bell so that you get notified time I upload. And also, do not forget to check down below in the description for any of my social media. Make sure to go follow my Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. And also, do not forget to check out any of my latest videos as well as any of my discount codes so that you guys could go ahead and save some money when shopping from any of my favorite brands. And also, make sure to stay tuned for the videos I have coming up. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so that way you get notified to my upload, and see you guys in the next one.